Election polls ask people who they plan to vote for. They are like small snapshots of a much larger group. Imagine trying to understand the ocean by looking at just one bucket of water. Polls use these small samples to try and understand the opinions of many voters. This can be tricky, as we'll see. The goal of an election poll is to predict the outcome of an election. They want to see who might win before the actual voting happens. However, predicting the future is hard. People can change their minds. Unexpected events can happen. This makes it difficult for polls to always be right. It's important to remember that polls are estimates, not guarantees. One reason polls can be wrong is something called sampling error. This happens when the small group of people polled doesn't perfectly represent the larger group of all voters. Think about flipping a coin. If you flip it 10 times, you might get heads 7 times. That doesn't mean the coin is broken. It's just a small sample size. Polls can have similar issues. A small sample might not show the true opinions of all voters. Section 4. Sample size and bias matter. The size of the sample used in a poll is crucial for its accuracy and reliability. When conducting a poll, the number of people surveyed can significantly impact the results. A larger sample size is generally more likely to provide accurate results because it includes a broader spectrum of opinions and demographics. This is because a larger sample captures a wider range of opinions, making the poll more representative of the general population. However, it's not just the size of the sample that matters. Bias can also significantly affect poll results. Bias occurs when the group of people polled is not representative of the entire population. This can happen if certain groups are overrepresented or underrepresented. For example, if a poll only asks people in one city or region, it might not accurately reflect the opinions of the entire country. This geographic bias can skew the results. To ensure accurate and reliable poll results, it's essential to avoid bias and ensure a large enough sample size. Pollsters must carefully select a diverse and representative sample to capture the true sentiment of the population. By doing so, polls can provide a more accurate picture of public opinion, helping to inform decisions and understand the views of the broader community. Section 5. How questions can shape answers. In this section, we will explore the profound impact that the phrasing of questions can have on the responses they elicit. The way questions are asked in a poll can also influence the answers. This is a crucial aspect of survey design that can significantly affect the data collected. For example, a question that is worded in a confusing or misleading way might lead to inaccurate results. Respondents may misinterpret the question, leading to answers that do not reflect their true opinions or experiences. Think about asking, "Do you like ice cream?" versus "Do you like delicious, creamy ice cream?" The second question is more descriptive and emotionally charged, which might influence the respondent's answer. The second question might make people more likely to say yes. This demonstrates how the choice of words can lead to biased responses. Pollsters need to use clear and neutral language to get accurate results. Neutral phrasing helps ensure that the responses are based on the respondent's true feelings and not influenced by the wording of the question. It's important for those designing surveys to carefully consider the wording of each question. Even small changes in phrasing can have a big impact on the data collected. By understanding how questions can shape answers, we can create better surveys that provide more reliable and valid data. This in turn leads to more accurate insights and better decision-making. Section 6. The importance of timing in polling. Timing is a crucial factor in the accuracy and reliability of polling data. Understanding when a poll is conducted can provide significant insights into its potential biases and limitations. The timing of a poll can also affect its reliability. Polls conducted too early in the election cycle may not capture the evolving opinions of the electorate. As campaigns progress, new information and events can significantly influence voter preferences. Polls taken closer to an election are generally considered to be more accurate. This is because by this time most voters have been exposed to the candidates' platforms, debates, and media coverage, allowing them to make more informed decisions. This is because people are more likely to have made up their minds about who they will vote for. They have had the opportunity to weigh the pros and cons of each candidate and are less likely to be swayed by last-minute information. However, even polls taken close to an election can be wrong. Polling errors can occur due to various factors, such as sampling biases, question wording, and respondent honesty. Additionally, the dynamic nature of political campaigns means that voter opinions can shift rapidly. Unexpected events can happen, and people can still change their minds. Major news stories, scandals, or significant policy announcements can alter the political landscape, leading to last-minute changes in voter behavior. It's important to consider the timing of a poll when evaluating its results. By understanding the context in which a poll was conducted, one can better assess its accuracy and relevance. Timing is just one of many factors that contribute to the complex nature of polling and its interpretation.